As knowledge seekers on a great expedition, Wave Robotics is navigating our path with purpose, passion, and a vision for a future we're proud to build. Each time we reach crossroads, we look to our compass. First values, community, and belief that the future is something we can build, boat by boat, student by student.
We rebuilt, grown, and expanded our impact to become a landmark in our community. Not just building robots, but rebuilding people, pathways, and possibilities.
This year, we hosted an FLL Regional, gaining new annual sponsors and helping our local teams with cost. During the FLL Challenge Regional, we combine our FLL Explore Expo and FRC demos, creating a robotics showcase for our community. We increased our FLL program by starting 4 teams with the help of our newly created FLL coordinator position.
With our 5-phase plan, WAVE addresses many of these issues by creating our Unity and Access subteam, founded on 3 pillars: ensuring equity in our team, creating stronger ties as team in our community, and promoting awareness in FIRST. This year, WAVE expanded full steam ahead to new heights, bringing hands-on STEAM activities, coding, and robotics to underrepresented groups with All Aboard Full Steam Ahead, a program for disabled students.
Our team recognized that there is a lack of funding for FLL programs in our community, the roles of women in STEAM are often undervalued and overlooked, and the lack of STEAM education for underrepresented groups, along with the funding gaps for STEAM programs in our elementary schools.
We grew our Full Steam Ahead curriculum to bring science, technology, engineering, art, and math into the lives of more young learners across the Fox Valley.
Key activities of our 5-phase plan include
expanding our Reading with Robots catalog and increasing the number of Spanish titles we provide.
Wave developed an 8th grade robotics course to integrate FLL directly into the school curriculum.
Our 8th grade robotics course clears the pathway to high school robotics 1 and 2, guiding more students to FRC.
We are setting our youngest adventurers onto their first journey by integrating Explorer into our elementary after-school programs.
Through the ages, our students have learned great lessons from navigating rough terrain.
Rebuilding isn't about fixing what's broken. It's about designing what's next.
We're not just building robots, we're building futures.